Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rachna English Journey. I am learning English speaking. Today in this video, I learn situation English dialogue. Let's start. Did you call me? Did you call me? Yes, just now. Yes, just now. Yes, just now. My phone was silent. My phone was silent. That's okay. That's okay. Now today we have learned how to take call when in the situation when my mobile was off. Now today this video we learn situational English conversation. Thank you to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.